Hey y'all, welcome to Jes.a.Lifestyle. Today's video will be a full tutorial on how I decided to create this beautiful dark mocha tone wig with a few blonde highlights for dimension. So stay tuned. I hope you feel inspired and enjoy this video. Bye. Hey you guys, and I just wanted to show you right here. Truthfully, if you just wanted blonde highlights, you can stop right here and just let those folds process. But because I am taking this tint up to a mocha color, I am adding bleach to the overall hair. So that's what you see me doing there. And now you can see the highlights. Very pretty, very blonde. That bleach is really good. So like I said, you can stop there if you like, but I want to lift that dark color up too. So you'll see me now going through, combing through, and just waiting on that darker color to lift. Okay, you guys, so I am done. This is the hair. I tried to get over here and get in some light, just so you guys could see it a little bit better. I really like the ease of the liquid gold. It was really, truthfully, one of the easiest glues I've used thus far, because I'm just not a glue chick. I like glue, but I'm really not a glue chick. So this for me is a good in between of gots to be glue and your regular lace, your lace glue. So for me, it's perfect. You guys love this highlight I did. Purchased beautiful wig, beautiful, but I just needed it to be catered more towards me. So again, I hope you guys love this video. Stay tuned. Much love. Until next time.